All right, AP Microeconomics practice question 14 looks like this. Consider the figure to the right. Which of the following combinations of supply and demand behavior most likely occurred to achieve a new equilibrium with a quantity of 50 and a price of $90? A. Supply shifts left and demand shifts right. B. Supply shifts right, demand shifts left. C. Both supply and demand shifts right. D. Only demand shifts left. Or E. Only supply shifts right. Now, if you want to try this on your own, pause the video here, give it a shot, because we're about to take this up in 3, 2, 1. All right, so there's a couple of ways to do this. I'm going to show you the short way because at the end of the day, when you're writing the test, you've got to save yourself some time. Now, the long way is to actually graph all of these out. Graph each of the scenarios and see which one is true. But the shortcut is just to graph the new equilibrium. So here you can see I have a new equilibrium at 90 and 50. And now I just need to individually move the curves to get them to that point. In order to get the supply curve to go through that point, I need to shift it to the right. And in order to get the demand curve through that point, I need to shift it to the left. Now you can see they both go through 90 and 50, which is the new equilibrium that's mentioned in the question. And if I look at my options, well, that's B. Supply shifts right and demand shifts left. Again, there's nothing wrong with doing these individually. In fact, many people do that. This is just a much faster method, and it's going to save you a lot of time on the test. Did you get this one right on your own? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in question 15.